Good morning, it's our day 3 in Budapest, and today we're having a 3-hour tour to go around the famous landmarks here in Budapest. And we are going to be on a tour bus, so no walking, well, partly walking today, but mainly we'll be in the bus, sitting down. It's a guided tour, so at least the guys can explain the origins and the history behind the places that we will be going to.
So then we're not just taking photos at monuments and being confused about the purpose.
Correct. And we actually are in the meeting point right now, so we're just waiting for a couple of people and we should be leaving soon.
Going to see some attractions. And also it's very cold. On the tour. Yes, excited.
Where's that at?
Back there. Somewhere.
So we're following the leader. Our tour has officially started. Walking.
A 3-hour walking tour.
I hope not. Hope not. I only had croissant.
The National Theatre, a very nice way. So you can see almost the same like from this bus, and basically you can see the whole city. If you want to find for you, you have already paid for City Mama. But anyway, as I told you, this is the best company, and the difference is also maybe it's only me, and of course, and opposite side, just in front of us. Actually, we can find the modern art gallery for the contemporary arts with the biggest exhibition hall inside, all over Budapest. And this beautiful building, just a dressing room. And behind this building, we can find the biggest ice skating rink of Europe. And behind the ice skating rink, the Vajdahunyad Castle, I will talk about it. But this is a lovely place. That was a very nice Christmas market around. So definitely we can spend here usually 15-20 minutes.
they have some nice cute little shops. We're up the hill. So the tour guide's recommendation is not to buy anything from this little shops here because they're extremely expensive. But we're saving our appetite anyway. So we're gonna eat at the market, Central Market. We're at the Liberty statue, but it's too tall for us to capture in pictures. So we just saw the Liberty Tower. It's actually nice, pretty tall, nice view up in the hill. Although you can't really get like a nice photo because it's just too high, but pretty nice. Pretty nice area for the panoramic view of Buda and Pest, mainly Pest, because Buda is the hillside of the city.
Historic, because this side was bombed, but
we're going back to our bus. Where are we going now, Megan?
Central Market.
Yeah.
Finally.
What's your tray called?
Goulash tasting.
Alright, so we're hungry because we're in Hungary again. So we're in this place called Cathedral. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm sorry guys. Anyway, I have a goulash tasting. This one I believe is beef goulash, and this is chicken goulash, some salad, and some soup. And I think this is a fisherman soup. Right? Excited to try. And
Rice and chicken.
Mega just has chicken and rice. Right? Again, Central Market was a blast. Food was good, price was okay. Overall, a must see. Did you enjoy your meal? It was good. Tasty.
I do training and speakers.
Uh-huh.
It's very nice training. Optiek here. Training here.
Mm-hmm.
Up
Okay.
and down. Yeah, this way.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
We're in the busy streets of Batsi Utsa. Batsi Utsa. Megan. So that's the Saint Stephen's Cathedral, one of the, well, it's actually the largest cathedral here in Budapest. We're not going in because there's a long line. We'll skip it again. Again. It seems like we're skipping almost everything. Especially the,
See the place.
yeah, the Sishenyi bath almost, but I don't think it's worth it going in that line and actually consuming your night just for that. Stop for the night, last landmark stop for the night, which is the Parliament building, largest Parliament building in Hungary. It's really cold, super cold.